Alrighty, good morning. It is Monday here at the house. Everybody is gone for today. I do have a few errands that I need to get going, but the girls at school. The old lady's at work right now. We just dropped off our friend to the airport. And yeah, here I am. I just woke up not too long ago. Yay for me. Hope that everyone's well. I'm just trying to recap the weekend. We did some things, the touristy things. It's always nice to have visitors, mainly because we get to, show them around Austin and whatnot, and just have a good old time. Let's see here. God, yesterday we were trying to find pecan pie. I don't know, for some reason, everyone was craving pecan pie, but yeah, we went to H-E-B and it was like, there was nothing on the shelves. That's another thing too. Every time we go to Fredericksburg, to like the hill country, there's tons of signs for like pecan stuff, but I don't know, we miss out. It's not the right time to go. There's nothing open, etc. Hopefully one day soon. But anyway, I gotta go. Love Boat left her wallet here. I gotta drop it off to her at work. And then I gotta head over to Walmart. I'm gonna get more organizational cubes for the studio. And I gotta stop by the grocery store to get some things. So it's gonna be a pretty chill day. Nothing really going on. I have work tonight. It's Monday. It's gonna be a long week. As I've said multiple times before, I picked up a few extra shifts this month. I'm trying to send off the girls to San Diego for the weekend, for Memorial Day weekend, so they could visit family and enjoy themselves. What else I got going on? Yeah, alright. We accumulated so much trash. Yeah, Lee. Gotta send that off on Wednesday. Beautiful day in the Austin area. Very sunny, hot. Oh, man. We ended up doing some spring cleaning for our visitor. The garage is looking less of a mess. And God, I really want to put some kind of like gym equipment in there. I suppose it's not a priority, but still, that would be nice. Also, I need to get, so I'm working with a tripod right now on my GoPro. My last video that I posted, vlog-wise, I did it off my phone, so sorry for the audio quality in that one. But I've been looking on Amazon. I need to get like mounts. I realized that I'm like frequently in the truck a lot, and I just need like clip-on mounts for everywhere so I could just easily post things. But right now it's kind of just whatevs. Anyway, just got in the truck. I'm trying to set up this GoPro thing. Maybe it'll actually work. I don't know. We'll see. If you fall off, I'll stop the video. No biggie. I should have brought my water bottle. Golly. There's like everyday carries. everyday carry. So I've been thinking about this a lot last night, how I forget certain things at the house that I wish I had brought again. But you know, the whole everyday carry thing, I want to get a bowl for a studio. You know, a typical bowl where you just drop all your everyday carry items and make sure you get them as soon as you walk out the door or move around the house. But one of them for sure is my iPods. You know, sometimes you just want to zone out and get away from the public, especially at like grocery stores and whatnot, or whatever have you. You're out in a store and you just want to stay to yourself, friggin' just shop, do your thing. So that's one thing. My keys, of course, my wallet, and what else? Of course, my vape, which I don't recommend, but I always have to bring. It sucks when you have to buy those jewel rigs again. They're like $10, but still, I got so many like of those USB chargers and the actual jewel stick itself. But yeah. All right. So I'm currently in the line at Starbucks. I'm waiting for Joanne to freaking text me to see what she wants. I need a caffeine fix of some kind. Golly. Oh man. So I just popped out this hat out of my storage. Well, not really my storage unit, but from out the closet. Recently, my dogs ate my favorite like ball cap, which is kind of annoying. Ugh. And I feel so uncomfortable. I got so many different hats. Ugh. But there are the favorites, you know? God, I swear, she always wants some kind of, like, complicated order. Ugh, Starbucks, I tell you. America runs on Dunkin', people. Dunkin'. Starbucks. Ugh. I tell you. Oh, there's some notable mentions here in Austin. I don't know if it's in any other location, but Dutch Bros is pretty good coffee. We go there from time to time. I really like Dutch Bros. They're opening one up. I think it's on Palmer. Yeah, it's further down. It's closer to the like the Samsung big building here in the Pflugerville area. So that'd be nice. It's pretty close to where we are, so it'd be nice to have a Dutch Bros. I do need to get some coffee at the grocery store. I need to get some kind of, I don't know, I need to expand my horizons with a good old coffee bean. Because I won't lie to y'all, I've been slipping with the energy drinks. I have been slipping. But I'm trying to get back on it. I need to. For the sake of my cardiac health. I need to. And it's getting bright out. Golly, my eyes are getting like sensitive. Oh no! I left my sunglasses at the house. God, and I was just talking about everyday carry. Man. Now I gotta deal with a bright day. Ugh. Lordy have mercy. So some shout outs. I am excited because of this, of our podcast. We are having some exceptional DJs that I am super excited to have them on. I've been talking to Bjork in Spain, and Lee Andrews here in the Austin area. So, I'm super excited to have them on, especially Lee Andrews and Bjork, because I follow them personally. And Lee Andrews is here, based in the Austin area, so it'd be nice to have some local artists come on the show.
Howdy, what can I get started for you today?
Hello, can I start off with a venti ice matcha latte with oat milk?
Yeah, venti iced oat milk matcha. What else today?
And then can I just have a grande cold brew?
And a grande cold brew, you got it? Anything else today?
Yeah, that's iced. Iced.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
Alright. Do you want any cream or sweetener in there?
No, it's okay.
Alrighty, just black on that cold brew.
Yep.
And you said that was all today?
That's it, yep.
Sure thing, comes to $10.72 at the window.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you.
$10.72. Golly, I tell you. I don't really like going to coffee shops that much either. They're so perky in there. Like, especially off of, there's the Dutch Bros in Hutto. Man, there are some perky people in there, like, especially when you get your coffee early in the morning. They're, like, so super energetic. Like, nah, I don't need that right now. I prefer that you don't talk to me. Or something. They're all, like, bright affect. Hey, good morning! Welcome! What would you like today? Oh, here you go. Here's your coffee. You have a great day. I mean, it's a great touch, but it's too over-empowering. Oh, my God. Getting coffee. Coffee. Coffee, coffee. I hope my registration comes in today. I got, the Texas stickers and whatnot. They said they mailed it out already. I recently renewed my tags. So I'm trying to get that. I hope that it's in the mail today, because it's already May. It says April. So I'm trying to switch that out before I get pulled over for Lord knows how, Lord knows what. Side note, there's a lot of construction going on. So we got here summer of 2018, and you could just, as soon as you come to Austin, and if you've been here for a little bit now, like, you could just tell by looking at your surroundings, like, that like, housing is booming and construction's booming. There is a mass, like, production of homes, and it's just getting bigger, because I know that you have to think about, like, all the people moving to the Austin area. But that's a whole big debate in itself. When it comes to, like, driving up costs, etc. People can argue that they're pushing out, like, local jobs, etc. Again, it's a big debate. I'm not going to go into it now. And you see forums and whatnot, and people that post about this stuff, like, either they're hating on Texas or they're not used to the life here. Texas has been great to us. It really has. And I enjoy it here. I love it. It's an adjustment. It's different from every area of the world. That's for sure. And it's just something that you have to adapt to. But, don't come here expecting to make changes, or just I mean, we got to keep in mind that everybody from the outside coming in, like, you came over here for a reason, and those reasons sometimes don't need to be changing just because you don't like it the way it is or stuff like that. But again, that's just the whole... Texas has been great to me, me and the fam, and it has been nothing but good. We enjoy it here, and there's plenty of stuff to do here. I don't know why people think that there's nothing to do. A lot of people don't, but it's a different set of activities that they have here in Texas. A lot of times, they have... There's plenty of like outdoorsy stuff to do. Off-roading, you have that stuff. Let me just get my coffee real quick.
I'm frustrated. Howdy.
Hi.
Comes to 1072 today. Here's your workout room.
Cool.
Lastly, do you want that hot or iced? You got it. What else today? Here's your card.
Thank you.
I hope you have a lovely day.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you. That's
What is this green concoction? Golly, I don't know what she wants. Just put my wallet back before I lose it. But anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, there are plenty of activities to do here, you just need to go out and look, and it's a different set of activities. You got outdoorsy activities, like I said, off-roading stuff. Camping is plentiful. I don't know about camping during the summer. We haven't done that yet. Oh, it's dropping on me, sorry. There's plenty of like lakes, fishing spots. From the outside coming in, you'd think that, I know we thought of it, that Texas, it would be hard to find like bodies of water or fishing opportunities, but there are plenty of lakes, rivers, and of course you have the Gulf. Just plenty of options to go fishing, and do water activities, etc. And a lot of the activities just revolve around like family life. There's tons of breweries here too in the Austin area. Of course, support local as much as you can, and we have our pockets of bouginess that I don't really go to that much. It gives me anxiety, but yeah, all in all, we really enjoy it here. I know the kids like it. I know it was a change for them to move here for sure, but they're starting to get out of their niche, which is perfectly great. It kind of sucked when COVID hit. Homeschooling was a big thing, and the lack of like social interaction was detrimental for sure, but like it's nice because the kiddos are starting to develop a social network, and a sense of camaraderie with her friends and whatnot. To be honest, we were, there was one week we were contemplating to really go back. But, we decided against it because, the kiddo said that she loved it here. She would miss her friends, and she would, not want to start over again, which is perfectly understandable, and we shut the whole thing down, we aren't going anywhere. But yeah, I'm kind of awed that she, you know, expressed that to us, which is certainly nice, and reaffirming that moving here was a blessing in disguise. I really don't know why I can't see you in the front, or I can't see the footage in the front face panel here on the GoPro. It turns off after like, I think, a minute, but I'm sure I'm still recording. I park so far away all the time. I like walking. I don't like people messing around with the truck. Super hot today. If I could find my keys. There you go. Oh, they left slippers in here. Oh. So, got some cubes. These things. Got 5 of them. Oh, man. All right, off to HEB. Dang, it is packed out here for a Monday at HEB. Golly. Oh, there's a parking spot right there, but I don't want to park right there. The angle isn't right for me to go in, and it's just going to be difficult for me to get out too. Golly. Oh, Zilker Brewing Company, Austin, Texas. There's a van out here. It says Zilker Brewing. I don't know if I ever had that. I don't think so. All right, HEB. Gotta get some things. Alrighty, so I just got home. Good morning. Figure I'm just gonna end off this video here. Try to catch some sleep, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Until next time, as always, be happy, stay safe, and be easy. Cheers.